Alright, welcome again, Military Guna TV. This is my prediction versus Mikel Arteta's prediction. Please hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. But anyways, as you can see, it is bright and shiny outside, not in comparison to what is happening in England. Our time span it varies. It really varies. Sunny, shiny, wind is blowing very heavily outside. But I'm currently watching the Manchester United versus Real Sociedad game. Really good game. I'm hoping for Real Sociedad to give me something. But anyways, Mikel Arteta went ahead with the same team that beat Leeds United. Assuming that you don't change your winning formula. It will be difficult because going into the game Sunday against Manchester City, traveling to and from, it might cause a bit of problem. So I'm not sure if Mikel Arteta is actually going all in into the Europa League. It would have seems as if he's making a decision from now to just go all in the Europa League, but it could be different. We don't know. But anyways, Mikel Arteta starting lineup, very good starting lineup. It's the same team that beat Leeds United. We cannot complain. Honestly, worst fans, we cannot complain. But naturally, fans are going to find something to argue about. That is how football fans are. So let me get in the starting lineup that Mikel Arteta started with Lennon in goal, Hector Bellerin at right back, defensive pairing of Gabriel and David Luiz, left back Cedric Soares. In the midfield, double pivot, we have Xhaka and Dani Ceballos. And in front of them, the attacking three, Odegaard, Saka, and Smith Rowe. So Odegaard in the number 10 position, / creative midfielder, Saka on the right, and on the left we have Smith Rowe. Up front, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. So more than likely at halftime, depending on how the game is transition, you might see a few changes. But my starting lineup really varies. Really varies. I started with Lennon in goal, Hector Bellerin at right back, Gabriel and Olin, and actually Cedric Soares at left back. And same midfield and same attacking lineup. Well, I started with Nicolas Pepe still, to be honest. I wanted Nicolas Pepe and Saka to get some rest, but Mikel Arteta still went ahead with Bukayo Saka. So that is Mikel Arteta's starting lineup versus mine. I got it wrong. I have to be fair. So that is it. That is how it goes sometimes. Mikel Arteta might be going with something different. But anyways, thank you very much for tuning. Hit the like button, hit the share button, and we will see how this one goes. Come on, you gunners.